She just took my lentils. Hello there. It's the Bean. And I've got another unboxing for you guys today. Okay, so as you probably saw in the title, and or if you read the descriptions of the videos before you watch them, yeah, I got a nature box. Cause who doesn't like doing unboxings with food?
I do.
I do. So I got nature box, you know, food. Yeah. Okay, so let me give you like a brief description. The nature box, like I always give. Okay, so for one, this camera is twisted. For two, the nature box is basically a box that well, it has like natural food products in it, like, you know, the healthy stuff, the healthy boys, the good stuff in there, the all natural organic stuff in there. That was rain, but it scared the crap out of me.
Too.
Okay,
That was
sorry
weird.
about that. So let's just go ahead and obtain the wheat. Obtain the grain. Yeah.
Yeah.
That fits better than let's get this bread. Because, you know, grain, wholesome, organic, nature box, nature, organic. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it did. Okay. So, I've already opened the box because, oh, the paper came out. I've already opened the box because, you know, we gotta make sure that none of my stuff is on there. Yeah. So, basically, they sent me a list of the stuff that's on there. You'll see what's in the box, because, surprise! So, open the box. First thing I see are these little cookies. And popcorn, and the light shining. Popcorn, and then some cashews, and then there's something underneath it. Okay, so I got the trial box, which is like $10. Normal box is like 25 bucks, maybe. Phone's removed. Maybe like, yeah, it's about 25 bucks or something. And they send you full size stuff. Like, you know, like I got trial size stuff. So, it's just so I can try the box. Okay. What? Yeah. So, you know, always I have somebody else tasting stuff with me. So I've got my mom with me today. And let's obtain this grain. So the first thing that I want to get out of here is, you know, let's just go on for the cookies. You know, let's get the most unhealthy things out of the way first. Okay, so obviously,
But it's a nature box, so it's healthy.
but it's cookies. Cookies are automatically unhealthy. Okay, so we got nature box at the top, obviously, and then whoa. Okay, you got your cookies. It says sweet and tart, thin, crispy Meyer. You know, I can't read. Meyer lemon cookies. Okay. Then it says the same thing at the bottom. It says the same exact thing. So, let's do this real quick. Okay, made with real Meyer lemon. I don't know what those are. I thought there's only like one type of lemon, but you know, obviously it's like apples. There's like 12,000 different types of apples. Okay, let's open the box. Okay. Oh snap! It came out like Girl Scout cookies. Go support your girls. Okay, so opening them is two little containers. Okay. They're pretty thin, you know, the healthy cookies. My face is shiny. The phone just moved. Don't look at me like that. Just like, give me the cookie. I just opened that completely wrong. Oh, well, I was pulling it like that and it didn't open. So, you know, taking out the cookie, it looks like this, you know, it looks like your normal.
It looks like a Ritz cracker.
Doesn't it?
It does look like a Ritz cracker. Okay, so let's try this. Insert the ASMR real quick. Just tastes like a lemon cookie. I mean, it's good. It just
tastes like the Girl Scout lemonades, actually.
Yeah, it actually does. But you
got
know.
the frosting and stuff or whatever. This is good. Okay.
They're pretty good.
Like.
I like them. You know, you got yourself some lemonade.
You better hide them from Mr. Joe. He's a Girl Scout lemonade cookie freak.
And Grandpa gonna eat all of these. I'm telling you.
Yeah, let's say the hot.
Okay, next thing in the box that I'm about to grab. The pet porn. Okay. Aged cheddar lentil loop.
Say that fast 3 times.
Aged cheddar lentil loop. Aged cheddar lentil loop.
That's fast. That's not fast.
That's fast enough. Okay, that's what it looks like. Then that just looks like popcorn.
It's so cute.
But it says loop, so we'll see if they're lying. It says baked lentil and potato crisp, so we'll see what's going on. Oh, they actually are loops. They're like curly fries. They look like that.
Oh, cool.
So it's a little spiral spaghetti. Okay, so get some. Okay, so I'm gonna taste this real quick. I don't want this video to be like 20 minutes, so let's go and obtain this grain. Let's try it. It's okay. I like it. Stop kicking my tripod!
Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Y'all know the veggie straws?
Good.
Like, y'all know veggie straws? They taste like veggie straws, basically. If you've had veggie straws before. So,
That's what's up.
I like it. It's pretty good. Alright. On to the next item. I just realized I just opened it before introducing to you guys what it even was. Okay. I didn't even open it correctly in the first place.
Oh, good.
Next thing. Sriracha cashews. So sweet and spicy kettle roasted cashews. Aw, it makes a little heart. Am I the only one who noticed that?
Can you hear me crunching?
Probably.
Those are good.
They are really good. Okay, so I'm a little scared to eat these because you see I don't eat hot stuff. So is that stereotypical?
It's not.
I am a brown person. Am I supposed to like spicy food? Whoa, that's huge. They're all big. Like they're all big, thick.
I'm gonna really enjoy those.
So let me.
Cashew?
They look like barbecue, like
See that, Mike?
it look like barbecue, like chicken or something, but just very tiny. Okay, so
It ain't hot.
well, it looks like they're dusted in sugar.
Mike,
Hold up,
look, they ain't hot.
it isn't focusing on it, so let's try that. It looks like a cashew,
Oh,
but just red dusted.
Those are so mine. Thank you in advance.
Yeah, you can.
Those got a kick to them. They got they're very good, but they have a kick to them. It said crunchy with a kick. Yeah, they're so good. Sweet and spicy kettle roasted cashews.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Give me that.
It's sweet, but then like, have some water.
Yeah. You about to, what, you going crazy?
I don't like hot stuff. It hit me in the back of the throat. Give me that water. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
I'll make these cashews rain on you. Okay, okay, calm down. Calm down.
Sucks all the water. It's still spicy.
Okay, that's mine. You're gonna have to get used to the hot.
Alright. I'm sorry, my reaction was hilarious. Started freaking out. Alright. So, the next thing is, which is the fourth thing. It's the most delicious. I had to save it for last. Pineapples! So, these are pineapple rings. I just realized this entire video I haven't been looking at the camera at all. Been looking at the screen.
Oh.
So, we got pineapple rings. Big Island pineapple. Tropically delicious. They're tropically delicious. Okay. So, dried and unsulfured pineapple with no added sugar. Pineapple is already sweet as it is. So, I mean, if you add sugar to dried pineapple, it's just gonna be too sweet. So, let's obtain this. Let's eat this wheat.
Kira might want one of these.
So,
No, that's not what that is.
let's go ahead and open this pineapple. You want some?
I want to try one.
Okay.
A small piece.
Basically, it's pineapple rings, just dried pineapple rings. I like this unboxing. I like doing stuff with food or either special
Me
surprises.
too. I like tasting y'all's unboxings.
Oh wow. They're all stuck together. Y'all know I live in the hot part of the state, so like it looks like a whole dry leaf. But you know. All you smell is pineapple now. Alright.
Ooh, that look funky.
I'm peeling it off.
Candied?
It's dried pineapple rings. Oh, there's 2 pineapple rings stuck to this one. Wow, that was 2 whole pineapple rings stuck to this thing. I didn't even notice that. Oh, well.
No, it was one hand.
No, it was, oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, it was.
It was, that's weird.
Kinda.
Yeah.
Sorta.
Okay, so, let's try this.
Dried pineapple rings. Wait, you want to try dried pineapple rings?
No, they're unsugared.
Unsugared, something, you just dried.
Unsulfured with no added sugar.
I need these.
Just like pineapple juice.
You don't like it?
I love pineapple. So,
Those are really chewy. You gotta make sure you have some water with that. I don't like them. It ain't nasty. It's just too dry for my liking.
pineapple jerky.
I mean, to come up with some other kind of way to utilize them, like eat them with some ice cream. I know that's supposed to be not healthy. Okay, puree up some, then sprinkle on top of the ice cream.
Okay. Moving on. There's nothing left in the box now. So yeah. So now after, you know, since this is the end of the food unboxing, now it is time for the ratings. So, because I am biased, we're going to get my mom's opinion on what is the best out of the box. And do not pick the cashews.
The best out of the box was the lentil twirlies.
I like the lentil twirls too. The loops.
The lentil twirlies.
The lentil loops were.
Ooh, my fingernail.
The lentil loops were. They're pretty good. Like, let me snag one real quick. I like them. Pop you a delicious snack. They're like Munchos, but like with cheddar on them. So, What would you? Okay, so if lentils are first, what's second? What would you rate second?
Second, the cookies.
Yeah, the cookies were pretty good. I liked them.
Really, first two. I don't know. Uh-oh, you dropped one, kid. Yeah.
Like they're pretty good. What do you rate third?
My cashew.
And what's fourth?
I said my.
What's fourth?
The pineapple.
Okay, so me rating it, I like because I love pineapple. But you see, I like the loops, so loops are my number one. Pineapple's my second, and the lemon cookies are my third because, like, I guess that's a little biased because, like, I'd rather eat Girl Scout lemonades because they have icing on them. But you see, if I want a more healthier version of them, I can just eat those lemon cookies. So those are pretty good. Sriracha cashews, my least. I do not like hot stuff. So I guess my whole entire thing was biased. So I don't know what else to say about this. It did not come with like a price thing so that you know what prices these are. These all come from their website, I think. Yeah, these all come from their website. And I think that because they sent me like this. Okay, so the thing that tells me what I have, like, it looks like I just ordered stuff. So I think, like, you go to their website and they might have, like, stuff, like, you can go under there and order the stuff separately. Whether that's true or not, I do not know. So, I say that it was a pretty good unboxing. I really, really liked it. It was okay. You know, maybe I might get a bigger box. That's to be determined or something. But right now, that's undetermined. Still fighting that spice. I guess that's it. I don't really have anything else to say other than I have another Japanese unboxing that I'm planning. So expect that in about maybe a couple weeks, maybe a month or something. It depends on when the box comes in. And then I might do another unboxing. So block unboxings galore. And I just want to say that is pretty much it. There's nothing else to say about this. So go subscribe maybe. Go watch another video. I don't know where in the world, you know, up here, over there, somewhere. It's gonna be somewhere. Yeah, go check out my channel. Maybe. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe, stuff like that. And you guys will see me later. I'm about to go and eat me some of these loops because they're that good. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.
Pineapple jerky.